No.
No.
No hat. No hat. The objective of this game is to identify your opponent's character card by asking the right questions.
Is your teeth
Keep
Can
asking
be
questions until there is only
seen?
one window left on your
Teeth?
game board and you can identify your opponent's character.
Wala kang
Correctly
teeth?
call out the name of your
No
opponent's
teeth.
character
No
to win
teeth.
the round.
So, baba mo lahat ng... Ate,
Ah.
yung ano mo nga, yung electric fan kasi.
na may teeth, ha? Oh, question.
Do
Kita,
you have
ipin.
earrings?
Earrings?
Do you have earrings daw?
No.
No earrings.
You don't have headphones.
Yeah.
You don't have headphones.
No headphones.
No headphones.
Oh, baba mo yan. No headphones. Oh. Oh, Cloud, your question.
Do you have hot glasses?
Heart glasses daw. Do you
Hard
have...
glasses? No.
No heart glasses daw.
Do you have a boy's cap?
Neckerchief. That's what Lolo is asking. Ito ba? Ganyan?
Oo.
Do you have a bandana? Neckerchief?
Dito,
Here.
nag-decide na
Oh,
yung
siya na yung
kalaban na
plus.
sabihin yung
Hindi
name
pa.
ng character
Ang dami
card
pa niya,
niya.
no?
But
Bababa
dapat
mo yung
hindi,
lahat,
kasi
wala.
dapat
Oh.
there's only one card left on your game
Oh.
board to
Walang
call
neckerchief.
out.
Oh.
O, di siya, ito na nga siya.
Hindi pa, wait pa. Siya muna, tatanong. Go, Cloud, ask.
Do you have sunglasses?
No. You asked that already.
Hindi, clear glasses yung tanong niya.
Ah.
Oh,
Ako
tanong
naman.
mo, are you?
Are you a plus?
Are you
Ayun,
flash?
super excited kasi
Are
si
you flash?
Kalaban.
No.
So, nagkamali
Huwag
siya
ka na
dun sa
maingay. Siya na
pag-call out
ulit.
niya kasi
O, game. You,
marami
Cloud.
pang cards na nakataas.
Yeah, Ken.
Are
So,
you
gumaya naman si other opponent. Nag-call out din kahit
No.
ang dami pang
No.
cards na
Baba
nakatayo.
mo.
Are you...
Here, may two cards
Ses?
pang nakatayo. Nag-call out na rin ulit.
Ano ba to?
Kasi, gentle lang.
are you Quest?
No.
Here, there's
Oh
only
my
one
gosh.
window left on the
Are
game
you
board, so you
Stargazer?
can see the
Ah.
other opponent got it correctly.
Lolo.
There is a square tab on the right-hand side of your board to track
You
how many
were-
rounds you win.
Eyeglasses?
Yes.
Okay. So,
Eyeglass ah, hindi sunglass ah.
yung walang eyeglass, bababa ko. Ay. Okay, ask.
Do you have a flower here in your head? Here?
Flower?
Flower here in your head?
No.
No?
Do you look like a boy or
Remember,
a
you
girl?
may only
Hindi,
ask questions
yes or no
that
lang
can be
dapat.
answered with yes or no.
Oh.
Do you have a headphone?
No?
Walang headphone. Walang headphone. Walang headphone. Walang headphone.
Hindi, walang
Here,
headphone. Ito
medyo
lang bababa
nalito
mo.
si opponent kung ano yung kailangan niyang ibaba na cards. Kaya, he missed this chance.
Yan lang. Ito.
Ito eh. May headphone yata ito, diba?
Hindi, wala.
Ano?
Earphones yun.
Earphone. Di ba? Parang earphone dito
Do you
eh.
have clear glasses?
Yes.
This is going to my... Oh. Tignan mo, oh. This is going to my vlog. Oh, patay ka.
Nakakatuwang panoorin yung maglolo. Very competitive.
Do you wear eyeglasses too? Clear
You
glasses?
said... Oh. No.
Character.
Ayan, sige.
Are you glazed?
Ayan, nang hula ulit kahit madami pang
Do you have
nakataas
pins
sa
in your
board
head?
game niya.
Pins?
Ano ito?
Oo.
Do you have spiky hair?
Spike here.
No.
Are you?
Are you Lily?
No. Are you Comnuts?
No. Are you Tad?
No. Are you Plus?
No.
Ba't wala? Wala ulit sa akin.
Nagkamali ka ng baba.
Ah, okay.
Are you Chip?
Yeah.
Or Snappy? I was Snappy.
Naibaba mo si Snappy.
Ah, si
Sabi niya
Snappy.
kasi, do you have clear glasses? No. Binaba mo din to, dark glasses yan.
Ah.
Oh.
Hot glasses?
Art glasses?
Yeah.
No.
Tiebreaker.
The winner is the first player to win 5 rounds. Yun nga lang, nagmamadali na kaming makauwi nito kaya they only have 3 rounds.
Do you have a big teeth? Okay.
Do you have a skull?
Scott, no.
Skull?
Do you wear cap or
Do you wear a hat
hat?
No.
No.
or a beanie?
Wala kang hat, ha?
Yeah.
Or beanie ha, don't have.
Okay.
Do you have spiky hair?
No. Do you have the headphones?
Headphones?
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
Do you have a hat? A hat?
No.
No hat or beanie?
No. Do you have a hard glasses?
No.
Patay ka na, dalawa na lang to.
Mamaya, mali ka na naman ng nababa eh.
Sige.
Are you?
No, do you have?
Do you have clear glasses?
No.
Going to lose.
Are you petal?
Yes.
Wow, Lolos, galing no?